that they've already set up their automatic out-of-office email replies. Gio Benitez, ABC News, here at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida.
That's pretty funny.
Way out of the office.
Yeah.
Way out of the office.
Out of this world. Yeah.
You know, I love that freeze-dried ice cream. They still sell that, you know.
Oh, I love that. Yeah.
I think they have it at the Museum of Natural History. I got
That's
it for
right.
the kids.
Yep.
I know they have it at Liberty Science Center, too.
There you go. We got the menu plan. And, you know, Gio was talking about the weather down there, Jeff. It really is interesting because, you know, when they have to be delayed because of the weather, it can add hours to their trip. It's just so fascinating.
Absolutely.
20 hours.
These rockets
Like-
so sensitive to the weather. I mean, even a shower, if a shower comes over that area, which Florida gets a lot of showers, the rockets can actually generate their own lightning. It can cause a charge distribution that generates its own lightning. So you always just got to watch that weather so carefully. There could be a couple of scattered showers in that area this evening. I was looking at some of the futurecasts down there, so we'll be watching it. Temperature right now, 44, an east wind coming in at 6 miles per hour. The dew point pretty low at 29, so it is a dry atmosphere, but it will moisten up by later on today. More importantly, it'll become very windy late this afternoon and into the evening hours of tonight. That's when the heavy showers move in as well this evening. Those could contain wind gusts of 50 miles per hour or higher. Before those heavy showers come in, could be a scattered shower or two during the afternoon hours. Much of the daylight we may get by with dry weather, though. Blustery and colder into the early part of the week, and by Tuesday there could be some flurries north and west of New York City, actually remnants of lake effect snow squalls making it this far to the south. 35 at Teterboro right now, 34 at White Plains. You have numbers which have been starting in the 20s well north and west of New York City, Sussex, Newburgh, and Poughkeepsie. You have 36 at Islip, still 29 right now at Toms River. You see the clouds gradually increasing from the west right now. One little band of showers. We'll have to see if there's a sprinkle out of that coming through the Poconos. But the main show here is over Ohio, and that's that strong line of showers that'll move on through with some downpours and some very gusty winds this evening. Speaking of very gusty winds, yeah, there's a lot of winds circulating around. Hurricane Iota, 85 mile per hour sustained winds right now. And this threatens the same area that was hit by Eta less than 2 weeks ago. Maybe a category 4 by the time it makes landfall late tomorrow night and to the wee hours of Tuesday morning. Here's our futurecast around here. You see by noontime, still a little bit of sunshine, and then clouds really lower and thicken during the afternoon. Maybe a couple of scattered showers showing up by day's end, especially west of New York City. But here we go, that line, that intense line of downpours and some very strong winds moving through, say, between 8 and 10 o'clock tonight from west to east. It's offshore by midnight, and then we clear things out. Sun giving way to clouds, milder, increasingly windy. Watch for a scattered afternoon shower, that high getting up to 60, and then the really heavy showers come in during the evening, clearing. Still very windy overnight. We're down to about 45. Quite windy, a lot of sunshine tomorrow, that high getting up to about 53. So it's an AccuWeather alert for tonight, mainly this evening. Blustery and chillier on Tuesday, 48. Could be a flurry north and west of New York City, and then look at Wednesday. Coldest air we've had this season, only 40 for a high, 31 at night in the city, and warming up ever so gradually as we head into Friday and Saturday. We'll send it back over to you.
All right, thanks so much. Coming up next in sports, the Scarlet Knights looking to get back on track. Plus, a marathon of a day for the defending champ on the links. Can Tiger Woods move closer to back-to-back Masters championships?
At New York Presbyterian Hospital, home of Columbia and Weill Cornell doctors, we're proud to be New York's best hospital and number 4 in the U.S. Recognition of our commitment to you. New York Presbyterian.
Today I made some chocolate chip cookies for Grandma's birthday.
What a marvelous family using Geek Speed to prepare for Grandma's birthday.
For real. Those little guys are watching cooking videos while she's live streaming.
And Aunt Sue's helping by watching a movie. Classic.
She's here.
How are they doing all of this without slowing down? It's the Geek Speed, like I said.
You gotta have the fastest internet when you're a family of influencers.
Bring every room to life with internet from Optimum, starting at just $25 a month. Now with gig speeds available on the fastest fiber network.
What makes you love your town? Is it the bakery?